In today's fast-paced and dynamic world, connectivity is key. Whether it's in manufacturing, outdoor spaces, or industrial settings, having a reliable and robust networking infrastructure is crucial. In environments where traditional networking solutions may struggle, LAN or local area network and WLAN or wireless local area network systems need to be tailored for durability, resilience, and performance. Harsh environments pose unique challenges to networking systems. These challenges include extreme temperatures, dust, moisture, vibrations, and electromagnetic interference. Traditional networking equipment may not withstand these conditions, leading to downtime, maintenance costs, and compromised performance. Specialized LAN and WLAN systems designed for harsh environments offer a solution. These systems are built to endure the toughest conditions and provide seamless connectivity. Features of robust networking systems. Ruggedized hardware. The hardware components are built to withstand extreme temperatures, vibrations, and physical stress. This ensures consistent performance in challenging conditions. Weatherproof design. The equipment is designed to resist moisture, dust, and other environmental elements. This makes it suitable for outdoor deployments, even in rain or snow. Extended temperature range. LAN and WLAN systems for harsh environments can operate in a wide temperature range, from extreme cold to scorching heat. ME shielding. Electromagnetic interference can disrupt regular networking operations. Robust systems are equipped with ME shielding to ensure reliable communication. We now take a look at some of the applications of these systems in different industries. Manufacturing. These robust networking solutions find applications in various industries. In manufacturing, where machinery generates vibrations and dust, reliable connectivity is essential for automation and efficiency. Construction. On construction sites, where workers are spread out across large areas, these systems provide a stable network for communication and project coordination. Outdoor events. In outdoor events and festivals, where temporary networks are required, these systems ensure seamless connectivity for organizers and attendees. The oil and gas industry presents specific challenges, including vast operational areas, remote locations, harsh weather conditions, and the need for continuous, reliable communication. A well-designed LAN and WLAN system is crucial for enhancing efficiency, safety, and overall productivity. Before installation, a thorough assessment of the site is essential. Identify critical areas, such as drilling sites, refineries, and storage facilities, and plan the network layout accordingly. Choose networking equipment specifically designed for industrial applications. Ruggedized switches, access points, and antennas are crucial to withstand the environmental challenges of the oil and gas sector. Cabling. Begin by installing industrial-grade Ethernet cables. Ensure they are protected against moisture, chemicals, and physical stress. Switch installation. Deploy ruggedized switches at key points, such as control rooms, monitoring stations, and connection hubs. Access points placement. Strategically place wireless access points to cover large operational areas. Consider factors like signal strength and interference. With advancements in technology and the need for connectivity in today's world, LAN systems have become one of the most important systems in the oil and gas industry, including on-board FPSO vessels. The LAN system as shown here is often interconnected with other systems such as the CCTV system. A typical LAN network system on a ship would have the following key components. First, we have the core switch. This powerhouse connects all the different devices on board, ensuring seamless communication between them. Next we have routers, which determine the best paths for data to travel, ensuring data reaches its destination swiftly and securely. Third, there are several access points, to ensure a strong and reliable Wi-Fi connection for all our crew members from the bridge to the engine room. The special coaxial, fiber optic cables connect all the devices, ensuring a tight and secure network. The system may also include servers to store critical information and data and a firewall to guard against unauthorized access and potential threats. After the initial setup, conduct thorough testing to ensure network reliability. Optimize configurations to achieve the best performance in the specific operational environment. Regular maintenance is crucial for long-term reliability. Implement a monitoring system to detect and address issues promptly, minimizing downtime. A well-designed network enhances operational efficiency and safety in these challenging environments.